Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? So I got this package and look at what happened. It was picked up from the post office, and you know how like you need to make another stop, and so you take your mail and you put it down like in between like your seat and your console, if you have a middle console, that is. And so this was left in the car, but I happen to have my dogs with me. They always go on joyrides with me, and so I came out and this was all chewed off. She couldn't wait. I guess she was hungry. She was letting me know she was either frustrated because I didn't let her get out the car and go with me, or she was hungry. So yeah, this package is, and I'm so excited about this. This is prize winnings that I got from a giveaway that was done by Just Jo Nail Addict on her channel. And I'm just like so excited because initially I didn't realize that I was picked until my beautiful friend Gina Rose reached out to me and DM'd me on Instagram. She DM'd me and she said, "Hey, did you know that you won?" And I was like, "No." So thank you so much, Gina. I really appreciate it. And also thank you to you, Joe, for doing this giveaway and also including international along with it. So yeah, that's what this is about. So aside from my baby chewing this open, hopefully she didn't get into anything important in there, I wanted to open this up with you guys. So here we go. Get in there. And this giveaway was actually last month, and of course, you know, the mail was going to take some time to get across to anyone that's outside of the country, because Joe is over in the UK. She's one of several ladies over in the UK that I do watch and follow. So yeah, it feels a little bulky. These envelopes are so cute. And so she does these thoughtful, I should say. She does these thoughtful little giveaways in between her big ones. And so this was one of them. And I wanted, look at, she's got her name sticker on there. Aw, that envelope is so cute. It sure is. Look at that. It says Happy Mail. This definitely is some Happy Mail. And look, I don't even want to rip the... I'm trying not to rip the sticker. When you get special stuff, you just want to hold on to things as mementos, don't you? How cute is this? You guys know my voice goes in and out. It squeaks, it unsqueaks. When I'm teaching class. Let me cover that up. Okay, I had to cover up because her address is on there. Look at her handwriting. Oh my gosh. Joe, you have gorgeous handwriting. Dear Tommy, thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel and for always leaving such supportive comments. You are a lovely lady and I'm glad to call you a friend. Oh, thank you, Joe. Likewise. I feel the same way. I really do. Guys, I love watching the ladies, everyone, but you know what, them ladies over in the UK be having it going on, okay, because Joe doesn't just have a nail setup all up in there, okay, that girl has a whole entire, like, location. She has a entire location, because from what I understand, and I know I'm being funny, but she has, you know, a setup for her to do her nails and all other types of crafts. So she's got a big area. Look at that envelope. Isn't it just too pretty? Aw, that's cute. So guys, my camera actually shut off in the middle of that portion of the recording, but that's okay because we were getting ready to get into this part anyway. So, and this is just some beautiful stuff, guys. The first thing I wanted to show you is this purple. It's a glitter, but it's a mylar type glitter. It's so pretty, and I'm kind of holding still so that the autofocus doesn't take over and start blurring out. Hopefully you could see it's holographic and you can see some gold in there. There's a little touch of blue, and so it's mylar because it's not like the round or the hexagon type shape. It's like broken fragments. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to do something with these. And then the next thing, and I'm thinking either these are possibly, well, let me just show you that. Let me show you this first. This next glitter is from Twinkle Claws, and I think she gets a regular monthly subscription thing from them. And this is just the cutest. You are actually seeing the true colors for what they are in this glitter. So let me just kind of flip it over for you. It's like lemony lime greenish color. Yeah, it's showing true to color in the camera, guys. There's some pink hearts and some peach color hearts. There's some iridescent, it looks like stars and vectors in there. And then there's some fine glitter. So cute and so pretty. Oh, I love it. Then there's these. They're like holographic letters. Isn't that so cute? They look to be like a solid color on one side. I just love the fact that there's so many different colors in there too. There's solid colors on one side and holographic on another. So pretty. And then there's these stones, and they're a solid pink. I don't have stones like this, so thank you so much. I'm gonna put them in a tray real quick so that you guys can get a better look, because there's different shapes of them. So guys, my camera shut off again because I totally forgot I had video clips loaded in and didn't transfer them over. So you got the heart there. There's I don't know what shape to call that. This one right here. You got that oval. There's a teardrop. There's a square. Here's the rhombus. So pretty, and like I was saying, I don't have any like these, and they're so beautiful. I am so happy with these. And then there's some more. Let me show them to you. So the camera isn't going to cut off this time because I emptied it out. Oh, wait a minute. It looks like there's a few different shapes. Okay, so I think I got all of the shapes for the blue. Isn't that cute, guys? I'm going to wait. There you go. So there's different shapes. Here's a heart. This is, I think that's a cat eye, is what it's called. Here's the circle, the round one, an oval shaped one. There's a rhombus. I think I mentioned the heart, right? And then this one, I don't know what shape that is. It's like a triangle. So yeah, guys, pink ones and blue ones, so pretty. So pretty. And then I got some of these. So exciting. More stuff to do nails with, guys. Some pixie crystals. Let me open them up because I know the light is reflecting off of the top. Is it sealed? I don't know if I can get that open. Oh, okay, there it goes. Some pixie crystals, guys. Oh, I just knocked the card over, but that's okay. Look at that, guys. Look at that sparkly goodness. Oh, I'm so happy with everything. Thank you so much, Jo. And I will be doing a set with something out of what I've received. So I am just so delighted in what I got. Thank you so much.